Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Yes, I have two cases from Ringke for my iPhone XS Max. But before I get into this review, check this out. So you decided to pick up the iPhone XS Max and you want some cases. I have two that I'm going to review from Ringke. I want to shout them out for actually sending them to me for review. They sent me out their Dual X case in iron red. And then this is their Fusion X in navy. So two definitely good cases. We're going to get into it. We're going to see how they fit. We're going to see if they work very well it's charging. You can get both of these cases from Amazon. I will have the link in the description. Here's the Dual X one. It is $14.99. Comes in those four colors. $14.99, man. And it's Prime eligible. So I will have the link in the description. Like the presentation from Ringke. Bam, if you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. It's nice and easy to open up. Oh, this is a nice case. So you get a little upgrade device. Thank you from Ringke. So let's see the case itself. Let's go over it. You have your volume rockers. You have your notification slider. Cutouts at the bottom look good. Your power button is ridged so you can find it. Oh, the back is hard plastic. This is a nice looking case. Look in the inside. Bam, there you go too. Let's see how this fits. Oh, that fits snug. Let's check out the display lip. Bam, so if you put your phone down, you don't have to worry about messing up your display. That's great. Let's check out the camera hump. Look at that. Gives you enough protection so if you lay it down, you're not gonna scratch up those lenses there. Let's check out the cutouts. Ooh, cutouts look great. Speaker, the microphone, or the speaker, the microphone, and then the lightning cable. Nothing at the top though. I like the black and red though. That looks nice. Let's check the power button. No, it works. The volume rockers, once you slide up, definitely work. There you go. They nice and clicky too. Look, bam, bam. The slider has enough room in there too. And then the last thing we want to check is the fit. It's pretty snug. Snug also on the sides. The last thing we really want to check is charging. As you can tell, it is charging. So this was the Dual X case. Let's move on to the Fusion X. Okay everyone, so the next case is their Fusion X case from Ringke. Let me pull this up from Amazon also. Bam, there you go. You can get it in three different colors. I got it in navy. You can get in black or ruby red. The navy and ruby red is $13.99. The black one is $11.99. I will have the link in the description. So you have the same type of packaging. Again, if you want to pause that, you can. So you get the same books. Thank you from Ringke. And then you can get trolled by the stickers. Alright, here's the case itself. Bam! You have your volume rockers, your notification slide. The cutouts look really good. You have your ridge power button there. Nothing on top. You do have a little brand in there, a little Fusion X. That's actually pretty cool. Let's see how this fits. And this is nice and snug. So the first thing, the lip action, you definitely have enough in there. They don't have to worry about, dropping your phone and breaking it. Look at the back. You definitely have enough. Look at the camera hump. You have enough in there. It shows off the color of your phone. Man, that's a nice phone. Let's check out the cutouts. Cutouts look great. Power button works. It's unlocked. The volume rockers definitely work. You can hear them. The slider, you have enough room in there to turn it on and off. Bam, it's on now. It's off. Let's check out the fit. Nice and snug too. And this is a nice case. Last thing we want to check. Does it work with wireless charging? Bam, I think that's your answer. So this is a Fusion X in navy. It's actually a nice looking case. So if you want to pick up the Fusion X or the Dual X, I will have both links in the description. Y'all let me know which one y'all like the most. I think they actually both look good. The red one looks really good, but that blue one actually looks quite good too with the gold. But y'all let me know which one y'all like the most. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so for more coverage on the iPhone XS Max. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.